Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the features and capabilities of our S3 file search component. This will allow you to upload new files directly in Amazon S3 and attach them to Salesforce Record. Once files are uploaded, you can also search and filter for those files and perform various actions like download, preview, delete, edit, copy, move, send email, etc. Let's go through each of these functionalities one by one. First, navigate to the account record detail page. And you will see our S3 file search component on the right-hand side. And since there are no files attached to this account, it is not showing any files right now. Now, let's first see how to upload new S3 files for this account record. Click on the Upload button. Click on Choose Files and select the files you want to upload from your local storage. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop files from local storage. Once you've made your selection, you can set the properties of the files. You can change the file name and provide description. Click on Edit if you want to set additional properties of S3 files like category, file download view type, etc. These file properties are configurable. You can enable and disable these properties as per your needs. Once properties are set, click Save. If you want to remove some files from the list, you can use the delete icon in action. If everything is fine, click Upload. This will create the account name folder in Amazon S3 and upload all selected files in that folder. You can abort the file upload which is in progress by simply clicking the abort icon in action. Once all files are uploaded, you will see a success message and newly uploaded files will be displayed in the list. Let's first see how you can filter files related to the record. If there are large numbers of files attached to the Salesforce record and you want to search the specific files using name, provide the keyword in the search bar and click on Search. You will see all S3 files whose name contains that keyword. Also, you can search files using advanced filter criteria. It will help you search files more efficiently. Let's try that. Click on Add Filter. Select the field, operator and value which you want to use as the criteria. Click Done. You can add multiple criteria. Once all criteria are added, click on Apply Filter. This will display all files which meet the selected criteria. By default, we have enabled file name and created date fields for filter criteria, but you can also enable other fields. Let's go through the actions available for files. Let's start with download and preview. You can download and preview any file related to the record. Click on Download from the menu and it will download the file in your local storage. Once the file is downloaded, you can open that file in your local machine. If you do not want to download it in your local storage, then click on Preview. Preview will load the file directly inside Salesforce and you will not have to download the file in local storage to view it. Let's proceed to the next item. If you want to see the full detail of the S3 file record, click on Detail from the menu and it will display full S3 file record detail. You can also change the properties of the S3 files. Click Edit from the menu. It will open a pop-up. From there you can change the value of S3 file fields like name, description, category, etc. and save it. We support file versioning as well, which means if you have updated a file which is already present in S3, you can upload that modified file as a new version of that existing file. Click New Version from the menu for the S3 file. Click on Choose Files and select the updated file which you want to upload as a new version. Specify the description of changes you made in this version in the What Changed field and click Upload, and this will upload the selected file as a new version. Let's proceed to the next action. If you have users outside of Salesforce and you want to share S3 files with them, you can send them S3 files via email. Click on Send Email from the menu for the S3 file. If the user, contact and lead are already available for the email recipient, then you can select it from two. If not, then add the email address of that user in the external email addresses. After that, set the subject and body. You can also use the email template to prepare the subject and body. Now click Send. An email will be sent to the user with the download link of S3 file. Here is the email received by the email recipient. It has the subject and body you provided. And it includes the list of S3 files you selected in the email with download link for each file. We also allow users to move the file from one folder to another folder of the Salesforce record. Let's see how it works. For example, there is an account record which has two subfolders called Invoices and Agreements, and a few files under the account name folder. You can see that here in File Explorer. Now you can move this file from the account name folder to the Invoices folder. To do that, click Move from the menu for the S3 file. Select the folder Invoices in which you want to move the file as target record. If you want to copy all file versions along with the file, then set the Copy Versions checkbox to True. Click Move and the file will be moved to the Invoices folder. Let's refresh the File Explorer and you can see that the file is moved to the Invoices folder. The same way, you can also copy files from one folder to another folder of the Salesforce record using the Copy action in the menu. We allow users to get AWS links for S3 files which they can share with external users to allow them to view and download those files. Click on the Share link from the menu for the S3 file. Select the expiry duration of the link. Click Copy link if you want to copy the link. Click Open link if you want to open the link in a new browser tab. Same way, if you directly want to open the file in the browser tab using AWS link, you can click Open link in the menu. Next action is Delete. We allow users to delete S3 file from Salesforce and S3. Click on Delete from the menu for S3 file which you want to delete and confirm the delete. This will remove the file from the Salesforce as well as from S3 permanently if soft delete is disabled and S3 link recycle bin is disabled. If S3 link recycle bin is enabled, then deleted S3 file will be moved to S3 link recycle bin and it stays there for a few days before it gets deleted permanently, and during that time, if you want, you can restore that file from S3 link recycle bin. All these actions we performed so far were for a single file. But you can perform all these actions for multiple files as well. Let's see how you can use these actions for multiple files. Let's start with Download. This will download multiple files and zip them. Select all S3 files which you want to download using the plus icon beside file name. After that, click Download at the top. This will start downloading the selected files. While download is in progress, you can abort the process by clicking on the Abort. Once download is completed, a zip file will be downloaded in your local storage. You can extract the zip and get all selected files inside the zip. If you want to download all files but do not want to individually select all files, then click Download All. This will download all files related to the record and zip them. You can also load previews of multiple files. Select all S3 files which you want to preview and click Preview. thumbnails of all selected files will be loaded. By clicking on the file, you can open that file in full mode. Similarly, you can select multiple files and copy or move them to another folder using Copy and Move action in the menu at the top. You can also select multiple files and delete them using the Delete action in the menu at the top. These files will also go in S3 Link Recycle bin if enabled. If you want to send an email with multiple files, select all those files and click Send Email action in the menu at the top. Thank you for watching.